Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today's video is an extra one, in addition to my usual 2 videos that I post every week, because I wanted to talk to you and about and show you a heat and smoke alarm bundle that I have received. So I've got this from a company called XSense, as you can see here on the box. And this is a bundle, so you get 3 alarms in here. So you get 1 heat alarm and 2 smoke alarms. What is fantastic about these alarms are they are all interlinked. So you just press buttons to link them all together. So if one of the alarm goes off, then the others go off as well, which is obviously great because if you've only got one downstairs and you're upstairs, obviously you might not hear it. Maybe you are a heavy sleeper or hard of hearing or whatever. So these are all interlinked. XSense is a leading home security products company. So obviously they sell these heat alarms and smoke alarms, but they also sell alarm systems, surveillance cameras, and also carbon monoxide detectors as well. And the carbon monoxide detectors can also be linked to these alarms. So in the bundle, like I say, you get 1 heat alarm, which is this one. So it's just got the usual plate that you screw onto the ceiling or the wall. It does say they recommend the best place to put them is on the ceiling, but it does say that they can be on a wall. In the user manual, it's very easy to follow. It obviously gives you all the directions in there of how to interlink them. And obviously how they work and everything. But it does also give you the best places, the best rooms in the house to place the different alarms. So it's got a handy guide in there to help you. So obviously you screw that onto your wall, that clips on. And like I say, this is the heat alarm. So I'm just going to press it for you now. So just, I'm going to give you a little bit of a warning just to see how loud it is. So if I just press it on there. Right, so that's the heat alarm. And then you get 2 smoke alarms. So obviously I'll tell you the difference in a minute. Those are the 2 smoke alarms, just the same with the thing on the back, the plate on the back that you screw into the wall. So those are what they look like. Now the heat alarm is a little bit different, obviously, to a smoke alarm. A smoke alarm obviously detects smoke, but the heat alarm actually detects heat rather than smoke. So this is an ideal one to place in somewhere like the kitchen. You know, when the smoke alarm goes off when you burn food or anything, well, it wouldn't go off as easily with this one. So like I say, this heat detector is great because it doesn't detect smoke. It detects a sudden rise in temperature. So that's the heat. And then the smoke alarms, they obviously detect smoke. They have a photoelectric sensor which quickly and accurately detects smoke. The products are made of corrosion-resistant, home-retardant material. They are durable and easy to install. You get the user manual and it tells you everything in there. It comes in the box with the 3 alarms and it's quite easy to follow as well. The alarms come with a 10-year battery life. So you know you are still covered. Even when the power goes off, you're covered 24/7. And when the battery is running low, it makes a alarm noise, so you know that the battery is running low. But 10 years they last for. So I'm really pleased with these alarms. I think the reason that I wanted to get them were because of the interconnection, the wireless interconnection between the 3. So when one alarm goes off, the others are triggered, which I think is a really good thing to have, obviously, because of being in different rooms, and then you can make sure that you know that you're going to be safe because they're all going to go off and you're bound to hear them. If anybody is interested in any of the XSense products, I will put all their links in the description box below. Like I say, they do sell other home security products as well if you want to go and check them out. Just click on the link in the description box. I will also put my discount code on the screen now, and I will also put it in the description box below as well. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you have enjoyed watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.